Presenting the 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 40/20/40 front split bench seat, electronic stability control, passenger vanity mirror, fully automatic headlights, LS preferred equipment group, front wheel independent suspension, tilt steering wheel, radio data system, and power driver seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.